It's time to review trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange Limited. And joining me live from the floor is my colleague, Effiong Ekop. Effiong, the market is negative. What we have here, take us through activities shaping the market at this time.
Certainly, we are trading and closing in the negative territory. Not only that, the banks are the one posting almost all the big levels of losses. And it's surprising. The big ones that you can think of, Zenith, GT Holding, UBA, Access Corporation, they are all down. They are leaving the markets with different levels of losses. And we also have Unilever also following in that line. I talked to a trader here. I said, what exactly would have influenced this for the banks to look downward? He said, it is probably because so many of them had already paid out their half-year dividends to their shareholders and not any serious or credible information coming from them about their activities. So investors tend to pull their funds away from them and perhaps look into other windows that they can take position against the last quarter of this year. And so we are seeing index down 0.17%. Well, that may not be that very big, but it's an indication that some companies have lost huge marginal profit on their investment. Tolu?
Looking forward now, well, this cement thing is also something that we should touch on. We see this back and forth with the price of cement. How is it affecting the shares of these two notable companies?
I think that investors are really positioning themselves very well. They have identified BUA Cement because of credible information that came from that company. And as at yesterday, BUA was doing very well. BUA secured price upliftment above 9%. Up till now, so many people are queuing for the window of that cement company. You know, cement price has been something worrying so many of Nigerians, especially contractors and other builders. And so for BUA to come up to say it's reducing the price of cement to 3,500, that's a big, that's, the company is being sensitive to the plight of an average Nigerian. And that's why we saw many of the fund managers and general investors supporting BUA by buying huge stock from BUA to position themselves and allow the company to be able to take enough money to go and build another plant so that it will continue to help Nigerian building society. I think that a company is supposed to behave like BUA, because if you have all these problems confronting the citizens, you find a way to, satisfy and then listen their problems. So BUA is a credible company. Investors queue, along with the company. Tolu.
Thank you so much, Effiong Ekop. We'll see you when you return back to the office. Market editor there, Effiong Ekop, live from the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange.